on, Doc. Come on, wake up, buddy. Wake up, Doc. Come on. Come on.
Seamus! Wouldn't expect to see you here this morning.
Hey. Well, something inside me told me I should be here. As if my future had something to do with it.
Come on. You come around in a minute. Come on.
Come on, Doc. Let's go, Doc. Let's wake up now, buddy. Come on.
Are you in there, Eastwood?
It's 8 o'clock, and I'm calling you out.
It's not 8 o'clock yet.
It is by my watch. Let's settle this once and for all, right? All right, you got the gumption.
Listen. I'm not really feeling up to this today. So I'm gonna have to forfeit.
Forfeit? Forfeit? What's that mean?
It means that you win without a fight.
Without shooting? You can't do that. Hey, you can't do that! You know what I think? I think you ain't nothing but a gutless yellow turd. And I'm giving you to the count of 10 to come out here and prove I'm wrong. 1.
Doc, come on, sober up, buddy. Let's go.
2.
Come on.
You better get out there, son. I got $20 gold bet on you, so don't let me down.
3.
I got $30 gold bet again you, so don't let me down.
4.
You better face up to it, son, because if you don't go out there...
What?
5.
What if I don't go out there?
You're a coward.
6.
And you'll be branded a coward for the rest of your days. Everybody, everywhere, will say Clint Eastwood is the biggest yellow belly in the West.
7.
Here.
8.
I already got a gun.
9. 10. Did you hear me run? I said that's 10, you gutless yellow pie slinger.
He's an asshole. I don't care what Tannen says. And I don't care what anybody else says either. Doc! Doc, you okay?
I think so. Whoa, what a headache.
Listen, you got a back door to this place?
Yeah, it's in the back.
Let's go, Doc.
Are you coming out here, or do I have to come in there after you?